Issuing individual vendor payments in Dynamics 365 Business Central is a key part of maintaining strong supplier relationships and accurate financial records. By processing payments one at a time, you gain greater control over timing, amounts, and payment methods. To begin, access the vendor list by either typing vendor into the search bar or by selecting vendors from the navigation menu. From your vendor list, find the vendor you would like to pay and open the vendor card by selecting the number to the left. Once the vendor card is open, click on Pay Vendor from the list of options in the Home menu. You can either select an individual invoice to pay by moving the cursor to the required row, or you can use the ellipsis to the right of the date and click Select More to choose more than one invoice. Once you have selected all of the transactions that need to be paid, select Edit List from the action bar, and then click on Create Payment from the list of options. The following window will open automatically. Make sure the information is accurate. Be sure to select the correct bank account and payment type. Select Computer Check if you are using a printed check, or Manual Check if it is a handwritten check. The starting document number should be the same as the check number. Make sure to confirm this is accurate and select OK. This will open the Payment Journals card. Identify the payment you want to apply and enter the payment method code. Then, confirm the check total and additional details before selecting Apply Entries from the Home menu. This will open the Apply Vendor Entries card. The transactions being paid can be identified by populated numbers in the Applies to ID field. Select OK to return to the payment journal lines. Once you have confirmed all the details and are ready to print the check, select Check, and then click Print Check. This will open the Print Filter page where you can confirm the journal template name and batch name. Then, select the appropriate bank account from the dropdown and make sure the last check number is correct. Once all of the relevant information is entered and verified, select Print to complete the process. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to issue individual vendor payments in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.